Alright, so I'm headed over to Christian's right now. I hear he's done some modifications while we've been away. And also, the reason I'm going over there is because he got new brake pads and he got the caliper compressed, so he wants me to help him undo it. So he trusts me to be able to figure it out, so let's see if this idiot knows how to actually fix the problem. What do we have here? Ooh, that looks sharp.
Got it all painted up.
Wow, that looks way better.
Rust off and installing a chin cover or the belt cover and then a battery cover too. So
that looks way better.
Looks
Oh,
different.
and the lights.
And then check out the front fairing as well. It has LED headlight, front fairing.
Oh, that's the exact same one I have on my bike. Oh, that looks sick.
Front fender, everything.
I like. Wait, start it up. I want to hear it. That's, oh man. That's awesome. Wow, it looks way better. Well, it sounds way better too.
Oh yeah. These won't go in.
Well, yeah, but when you shave them down like this, that's why it's so compressed.
Oh yeah.
Did you try? Wow, yeah, that's.
It's all metal right here.
Yeah,
that's just metal.
For everyone watching, brake fluid should not be that color.
On that side.
That's terrible. Alright, so we got the front brakes changed. I'm dead weight right now while he is working on the back brakes. So the bike is on a jack stand, so I'm just holding it up so it don't fall over. We learned a lot. We learned that you do not overfill the reservoir for the brake fluid because it ended up being almost impossible to get the brakes to get hard. So we figured that out the hard way. So hopefully the back brake will be a little bit easier and then hopefully go for a ride today. Alright, so I just took it for a test ride. It's working pretty good. The brakes are back, which they really weren't that great to begin with. So now that they're actually there, they have all new pads on them. The fluid's changed. It's really good. So I'm actually heading home to pick up my bike, and then we're going to go for a ride. See you guys in a second.